Good morning, respected judges, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Haley Jing. I'm studying in grade 7 at Krapunpet campus. Today, I would like to talk about real artificial intelligence replace human. Artificial intelligence is growing rapidly and is helping us in areas like education, healthcare, and business. It can perform tasks faster and more accurately than human. Because of this, many people worry that AI might replace human job. However, AI cannot fully replace human. Machine may be good, machine may be smart, but they do not have emotion, creativity, or moral value. Human can think, can think critically, solve the problem, and empathy quality that machine cannot truly copy. Instead of replacing us, AI as a tool that we can help work better and smarter. The future is not about human and AI, but human work together with AI. In conclusion, we should focus on learning new skill and adapting to the changing world. Thank you for listening.